The condition of a for loop tells the loop how many times it should iterate. When the condition becomes false, the loop will stop. In JavaScript, a boolean value can either be true or false. These are not strings. Yes, they are boolean values, which could only mean two possible values, which are these two, true or false. It says you will learn more about the difference later on. Okay, for now you will use the less than operator. This allows you to check if the value on the left is less than the value on the right. For example, count is less than 3 would evaluate to true if the count is 2, and false if the count is 4. Can you imagine that? So, as it says, count is less than to 3, correct? So it would evaluate to true if the count is 2. That is because less is smaller than 3, so that would be true. So it would be false if the count is 4. That's because 4 is larger than 3, despite it says 4 is less than 3. That would be false because, again, 4 is larger than 3. Yes. So it says, for now you will use the less than operator. Oops, nope, let's skip that part. It says replace your condition string with a condition to check if I is less than count. Okay. So since the variable I has already been initialized rather with a value of 0, we would just call it here and then make a condition which is I is less than the count. Do we have a count variable? I can't see. I don't see any count. Oh, there it is. So yes, we do have a count variable. So we just call it in here. So whatever the value, oops. So the value of I would then be compared to the count variable's value, which is the 8. So if I is less than, if 0 is less than 8, that would be the condition. So here is what how is here is how the JavaScript will read this one. So the the count will start from 0, correct? It would then pass into the condition, so it would iterate. So as long as the value of I is less than 8, it would continue to iteration. So yes, running tests. I bet it's correct. Yeah. So that's it for now. Nice.